Hello friends, I'm here with a brand new video. As you know, the meme hype on Solana just doesn't stop, friends. Every new day, a new meta and a new meme coin keep coming out, friends. Just last night, around the early morning of January 30th, one of Solana's old seed investors shared a token called Jelly Jelly, and it had a market cap of around $1 million, friends, which was about 2.5. Then, within half an hour to an hour, it shot up to a market cap of $150 million, friends. So, I mean to say that this coin increased by 150 to 200 times. For example, the coins keep coming, friends. So, what did we do together? We learned to use Dexic Linear for trading meme coins. We learned to use PanFan. We also learned to launch a PanFan token. We also learned to use GMGN and Dexic Linear applications to analyze the tokens launched on PanFan. Today, friends, I'm here with a brand new application. Today we will be trading memes with an exchange called Photon, friends. On PanFan we can see meme tokens that come out from Moonshot and other platforms directly and instantly. After being curved and listed on the raid, we can even see their states, friends. And I'm leaving a link below for you to register on Photon, friends. Now let's talk about how we can buy and sell meme coins very quickly. This Photon exchange is an excellent exchange. Nothing I mention in this video is ever investment advice, friends. Normally, I'll show you exactly how we buy and sell our meme coins in this video today. I hope this video will be helpful. Sometimes when buying tokens and selling tokens, let it be Jupiter. You're facing issues with PanFan. You won't face any such issues on Photon. You can make your buying and selling transactions instantly, friends. Before we move on to the video, let's quickly hit a like and get started with using Photon. Now, in our Coin Engineer registration link, as soon as you click here, friends, there's a place that says Connect Wallet. You need to connect your wallet. Now for this, you need a Phantom wallet. We talk about everything related to the Phantom wallet on the Coin Engineer YouTube channel, from using the Phantom wallet to PanFan and Dexanil, friends. So, as you know, I'm going to an ATM to deposit Turkish lira. Look, in this video, I'm going to the ATM depositing Turkish lira, and with the Turkish lira I deposit, I'm sending my money to my Phantom wallet and my Backpack wallet, and I'm trading meme coins with this money, friends, taking them out from PanFan. Now, you can also watch this video, by the way, for those who are curious. For those who are curious, what is PanFan? So what do we do after this? We're connecting our wallet, here again on Photon. Friends, since this is an exchange, there are some processes we need to follow after connecting our wallet. I'm clicking the contact button here. I'm approving the incoming notifications. Yes, now friends, the address of the wallet I've connected is written here. Look, next to this address, Photon will create a new wallet for me by clicking Generate. I will be making transactions on this Photon exchange with my Photon wallet, friends. The private key will be given to me shortly. I'm clicking the Generate button. Look, Photon Trending Wallet has written my wallet address here, and here I was going to get my private key, friends. You save this private key, and you can also set it up in your Phantom wallet, friends. You can bring your Phantom wallet here with your private key. Yes, now what I'm doing is sliding it and noting down my private key. Yes, friends, I've noted down my wallet key. Look, it gave me a new wallet address. The wallet address I connected here was like this, but now my wallet address starts with EZD and ends with GLN. It gave me another wallet. I can send and withdraw Solana using this wallet, friends. Now I'm going to send Solana to this wallet right away. Look, I've logged into my Phantom with you all. I'm copying the address of this wallet like this, look. I clicked the copy button. Then it ends with GLN, and I'm paying close attention to that. I'm coming to my Phantom and saying send, I'm saying to send Solana. I'm pasting it like this, look, then the beginning is GLN, and the start is easy, that's correct. For example, I want to send how many Solana to here. I clicked the next button, friends, and I said send. Yes, look, Solana has arrived right away. Now you've traded here, you've multiplied your money, or you want to exit from here, what do you do, friends? You come to withdraw. From withdraw, I selected the wallet I just sent to, which is the one ending in 02. Here I selected 02 from the inventory section, and I want to select all of them. It says choose wallet. Look, it's already showing me the wallet I registered here. It's showing the wallet I signed up with. The moment I click withdraw here, my money will go back to my Photon wallet, friends. Now there's no problem with this. This is how you deposit and withdraw money. Here, you can set up a different wallet, saying generate wallet. You're getting another code for cheaper, friends. Now let's come to how we will trade the coins here. Look. As soon as we come to the home page, you can see the coins being produced every second. Look, coins that haven't even been around for a second. Now this is the place where we see the newly launched coins. Now here on NifBase, we can see the newly launched coins in real time. In trending, we see the coins that could be trending. Look, here are the ones that came out 9 minutes ago, 32 minutes ago, and 4 minutes ago. Here, according to the exit time, for example, the moment you click on created. Again, it sorts them here according to the newly launched ones. Here you can sort by liquidity or by initial liquidity market cap. Later, when you want to track the coin from here, you can follow its volume from here. Here you can see concepts like its rise in 1 minute, rise in 5 minutes, rise and fall in 30 minutes, and rise and fall in 1 hour, friends. Yes, now we can set our filters from here and make transactions, friends. Here are some filters, friends. You can develop your own tactics based on the filters here. Now, one of the things we need to pay attention to here is whether there is volume. Market cap is also important. For example, entering a project with a market cap of $5,000 right when it launches is much riskier. Everything here is very, very risky anyway. I mean, $10,000, $20,000 more. It seems like you can get in a little more, but I'm not saying that you should get in with this, friends. These will be instant second-by-second transactions here. Yes, I want to explain how to use Photon to you, and in the meantime, if I can, I want to share some tactics. Here, for example, there's a scope, friends. We really need to use this meme scope a lot if we're going to make transactions here. Now, this is newly created. Let's see where it is from, whether it's from Pump or other platforms. For example, Moonshot, Pump Fun. These are coins come out of them, friends. This meme live. When you lift it up, you can see the coins that come out of Moonshot and Pump Fun. Look, let's close it like this. Now, you can see the coins from Pump Fun and Moonshot. If I close Pump Fun like this, you can only see the coins that come out of Moonshot. Look at how many people are trading inside, buying and selling. How many holders are there? 516. You can see it this way. I usually add Pump Fun from the filters. So then here, for example, what should we say? Elon Musk is sharing something. For example, let's say this is Peanut. Let's come to the filters. What are you constantly sharing about Peanut? Isn't it the simplest thing? If you write Peanut here, friends, you'll see the coins related to Peanut. For example, say apply, look at Peanut Plant, Jelly, Peanut. Yesterday, Jelly had made 150-200 times profit in market cap. It had reached market caps of 150 or 200 male. What this means is that if you bought from a market cap of 100,000, you could make 1,000x. Yes, this is the coins that are instantly taken out from Pump Fund, friends. Okay. Here, we also learned to filter by name from the filters. This place really offers us nice things. I'm also going to show you a few more things about the name. We're talking about this curve bonding completion event that comes out of Pump Fund, friends. I'm already talking about this in my Pump Fund video. If it comes out of Pump Fund and goes out like a certain market, what happens after that? It's launched on Rhythm, friends. It's listed on Rhythm. We can now buy and sell this in the Rhythm pool. This is trending, meaning this is taken out instantly from Pump Fund or any meme coin creation site. This is curve, meaning those approaching Rhythm. This is where friends are listed on Rhythm. Look, you can already see these as soon as you hover over them. Here, for example, if I go back a bit, I can see a lot of tokens related to yesterday's Jelly because, look, after Jelly fans, a bunch of coins related to Jelly were released, friends. Of course, just because it's listed on Rhythm doesn't mean it will keep going up. For example, let's take a look at the market cap. Look, the market cap has dropped to 7,000, and after being listed on Rhythm, it fell to 4,000. Then it went up to 320,000. So it has to be like this, friends. Well, it should lose more than half. The majority should be lost, as something called Jelly Belly has come out at 440,000. Pindolama movements are gone. After moving to Radioma, you can see that many of them have reset back to zero, and a lot of preparations have been made. So I hope you understand how risky it is, friends. Here, I'm teaching you a bit about what you need to do for analysis. Yes, now we're following from above. The Memescope part is very important. Here, create filters for yourself. They can be filters related to names. You can follow the metrics related to Jelly. For example, if I had been awake at 2:30 a.m. and missed that Jelly, if I had missed Jelly at $150 million, which happened within half an hour, I would have come here around 3 o'clock, typed Jelly in the search bar, and followed the metrics related to Jelly, friends. Here, there are quite a few filters, friends. For example, you can check what percentage of the coins the developer holds, or you can write expressions like what the market cap should be or what the volume should be. For example, you can write expressions like let the volume be $10,000 and the market cap at least 15,000. And when you hit the apply button, look, fewer coins come up for me now. Coins aren't popping up for me every second, friends. So you can create filters like this and then make trading transactions based on that. We've learned this part, but friends, there's also a leaderboard here. Now, friends, let's say we're at Memescope. We want to buy a token, for example. Look, there's a coin called Chuban Mim that has become a curve. Here, there's a coin that's close to being a curve in Radium, for example, but it has reached a market cap of 75,000. There's quite a list right now. Look, Chuban Official is at 98K. Look, this is actually tracking the coins after moving to Radioma, friends. After moving to Radioma, a coin. As soon as Radioma arrives, people start launching coins similar to this. They also want to carry themselves to my radio. Look, there's another one related to Markchaban, 70K. One more about Jelly. So we're going to see quite a bit about Jelly these days. Now, friends, I'm going to enter and exit a coin to show you. For example, I'm already coming like this. My filters are ready and waiting right now. Look, there are 100 people inside. A 25K brand team can enter. Holder. Of course, the chart is unfortunately like this. Here you can adjust your chart from the top like this. I usually look at a 10-second chart at most. Look, there are 15-second and 30-second charts. If you're making instant transactions here, you need to pay attention to this, guys. Now, as soon as you look at this chart, a lot of things come up for us. Look, here is the part where the developer made a purchase. The developer made a purchase of about 500 monthly from here. So then they made a sale, as you can see like this. After buying, make your sales too. Now you can see how the developer is buying and selling like this. Let me show you. Look, you can see that these are the developers buying and selling when you press Dev Trace Last. When you press Sniper Trade or Insider Trace Last, you can see that they are buying and selling, guys. Now, this developer is important because of what the developer sells. A coin needs to be a bit more trustworthy, guys. Why? Because the developer usually holds a large amount, and the developer's selling pressure makes that coin very difficult to manage. Yes, now the price is determined like this here. Now, guys, you can see the chart directly in real time, and in this chart, you can see the developer's buy and sell actions as well as your own buy and sell actions. Now look, my buy and sell actions are visible right now, but they don't show up because I haven't made any trades yet. Yes, now we come to the right side where you can make a purchase. I already have one wallet, which is wallet 1. I have 0.2 Solana in my wallet 1. I can adjust my options based on how much of this Solana I want to invest. Look, I can set them up for myself from here. For example, let's say you have 1 Solana in your account. So, do you want to buy with 0.25 of your Solana or 0.5, or do you want to buy a whole one directly? You can choose these options instantly, and as soon as you press the button, it buys right away, guys. Or you can write it here by hand. For example, you write it down, and as soon as you press the button, it buys right away, guys. And also, this part, guys. By the way, the price has gone up a bit, but it's no problem. You can adjust it yourself. There's a settling part here. Similarly, you can do it this way when selling as well. Now, we've seen the buy section. You can make purchases directly like 0.25, 0.5, 1 Solana, or 5 Solana. You can go to the settings here and adjust it for yourself. I came to S1 for a quick buy. Slip buy at S1. How high do you want to buy with slip buy? Since we trade coins in real time, it can be 10, 15, or even 20 sometimes, guys. I'm currently at 15. There's a fee we pay for this, a priority fee. Look, these are quite high right now, guys, really high fees. I'm going to reduce this by about 50%. I'm going to shrink it down a bit like this. I'm going to adjust these parts according to my preferences. 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, 1, 2. Look, guys, now it's 0.25. A quarter is 0.25. I have reduced the values here according to my preferences. Now I've come here, and I want to make a liquidity purchase. I pressed it. I want to make a purchase at the second price. I'm going to buy at the second price, and I've come here. Yes, I clicked the buy button like this. Yes, I'm going to make a purchase around 11. Yes, look. The screen directly shows my trade, my own trade. Now, guys, as soon as I came to my holding, look, I can see the profit I've made. I just made the 0.1 area, now I have the money. This place is really dangerous, guys. Now you're following along, and based on that, you can make sales transactions from here, look. You can see where I bought it on the chart. I bought this coin just to show you, and I will sell it back to demonstrate. I want to show you how to use the app, guys. Now, I have the same selection here. I currently have a 10% profit. Now, guys, how do we sell? Do you want to sell 25% of it? Do you want to sell 50% or 100%? So we have options like, do you want to sell all of it? Or you can choose the percentage from below. Friends, how much do you want to sell? For example, you want to sell 40% of it. This is how you can make sales, friends. For example, when you press to sell 50% right now, it will sell 50% directly. When you press to sell 100%, it will sell 100%. For example, I will wait longer. Look, 16%, 17%. Yes, I hit the QXR button. While it was at 10, let's see what happened. I sold this with a 4% profit, guys. So this is already a trade we did to show you how to buy and sell. Here, we can also see the holders of the coins we bought, how much they hold, and where they bought and sold from. For example, look, there is someone who owns 3% here, guys. When you click here, you can see how much this 3% was bought for and how much it was sold for, friends. The chart even brings it directly in front of you. Yes, there has been quite a rise. We count it as sale. Or we can see a 50% profit, guys. Yes, by following the meta and tracking the coins that could continue the meta, we can make profits and losses like this, guys. The bubble map is also important here. Our followers probably already know about the bubble map from our previous videos. Are there any interconnected wallets related to this coin? Since everyone has figured this out now, the new developers who will be launching tokens are also paying attention to these things, guys. If the wallets are interconnected, it can be a bit problematic. We need to pay attention to this. This generally shows us the distribution of wallets at the initial entry, guys. So the smaller this area is, the smaller our area is, the better it is to say. Here we can also make buy and sell transactions with limit orders. Now I'm going to show this too. I just bought this from around here, guys. I think I bought it around 13. Let's see if it shows my trade like this. Look, it's showing my trade here, guys. Yes, we bought quite low, around the 12-13 levels. So we buy again at 12-13 and sell at 14-15, guys. Right now, for example, it has gone up to 26. Now, when it's at 25, we need to check what its market cap is. Market cap, $25K. Look at how low the market cap is, right? With this $25,000 market cap, you can place orders and make transactions. So how do we do this, guys? Look, it says buy dip instead of buy now here. So if you want to buy low, my wallet is still selected here. Here, there is a market cap buy. If the market cap drops by 20%, you can buy in that style, or you can select the market cap and directly specify how much you want to buy from which market cap, guys. For example, right now it's at a 25,000 market cap, right? It's at a 23,000 market cap. The first I bought was 13,000 market cap. I want to buy this again at an average market cap of around 13,000, meaning I want to buy it back around here. Look, I wrote 13,000 here, guys, so it needs to drop about 45% from here. I told the council something, and they said okay. As soon as I say pred order, it will create a limit order here, and if it drops to that point, it will make a purchase, friends. Yes, now let's see how we can quickly buy and sell a coin through Photon. How can we track the bets from Scoped? So we learned how to set our own filters and stuff. Also, the charts work really well. For example, you saw a coin on Twitter and you want to buy it right away. How do you do it, guys? For example, you saw a coin on Twitter and you want to buy it really quickly. How do we make a purchase? Look, for example, Trump had shared something here. When you go to Trump's site, you can see that he shared the contract address here. You come to Photon, friends, and when you paste it up here, look, it will find the official Trump coin for you. When you click here, you'll go to the trampoline trading section. You can also carry out your buying and selling transactions from here, friends. It's currently hovering around $27. This is how you can quickly buy and sell a token on the Photon exchange, friends. So no matter how slow it gets from the left, you can really carry out buying and selling transactions quickly from here, friends. We're just paying a little extra for pi, but we can successfully carry out buying and selling transactions. Now, you can also use this on your phone, by the way, by downloading it to your phone. In this way, you can also use the camera and your phone, friends. Yes, using Photon was that easy. If you want to register for Photon, I'm leaving the registration link below, friends. I hope there will be a video tomorrow, friends. This hub button will help bring in videos. As the memecoin hype continues, we will keep introducing new platforms related to memecoin, friends. I apologize again for my voice. Since I'm not feeling well, my voice might sound a bit off. If you liked the video, please don't forget to hit the like button, friends. Lastly, I want to give one more trick. For example, a mask base on your hand. Sometimes he talks about coins and projects, and after mentioning them, a few coins come out related to that, and then the prices crash because Elon Musk didn't mention them later. For example, let's say he was sharing something about Kekius Maximus Kekius at one point, and the prices crashed drastically afterward, friends. Coins released in Solana 6 to 7 months ago have made 10 to 20 times more money. Coins that came out related to Maximus Kekius 6 to 7 months ago made 10x to 20x profit, friends. And when Trump started talking about it, it made 10x to 20x. And then the prices drop again. When Trump mentioned it at one point, the prices can rise again. So you can analyze this yourself and make buying and selling decisions accordingly. This is not investment advice. These are all topics you need to make your own decisions about, friends. I hope it was a live video. Stay safe, goodbye, and don't forget to like.